To verify Bitcoin on the CAS app, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once logged in, your home screen will be displayed, and you'll need to tap the home icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, select the Bitcoin option, followed by the Buy Bitcoin option, since the goal is to verify Bitcoin and not make a purchase. Choose the minimum amount available, which is $1, and then tap Next. You will then be prompted to verify your identity to continue using the app or to verify your Bitcoin. Tap Continue and enter your full legal name, not just your first name, and then select Next. After that, enter your date of birth and tap Next again. The app will then ask you to verify your social security number, which may require entering your full SSN or just the last 4 digits. Depending on the prompt, enter the required information, tap Next, and you will have successfully verified Bitcoin on your CAS app.